It is warm enough, so we're going to Typhoon Lagoon today. Super excited. Typhoon Lagoon. Let's go, Parker. Oh, I hear the whistle. You hear it? Here we go, we're here. Welcome. 80 degrees in February. Here we go. You ready, sir? Typhoon Lagoon. The storm is over, the coast is clear, so come and see the view from here. We'll have to check out the view in a little bit. Oh, Parker, look how cute. Look at the chalk art. Who's this? Is that a dog? What's... I have missed the sound of chlorine waves in the morning. Parker, we're gonna hang out with Olivia and Megan. Can you say Megan? Megan, yeah. What about Olivia? Can you say Olivia?
Yeah.
Olivia. Is she here yet?
No.
No, not yet. We'll just wait for her. Go on, sir. You hear a helicopter? You're like Danny Zuko pointing. Parker, can you point? Where's the boat? Whoa, here goes the wave. I heard it.
Oh, yeah.
And there's the wave pool. Welcome to Typhoon, Megan. We will not be going in there with the babies.
No, I will not be going in there without the baby.
What do you two see? You see people in the water?
She's like, can we climb this?
Lazy River. We could go in there later. We're at Ketchakiddee or Ketchakiddee Creek or something. Ketchakiddee Creek? That sounds wrong. Come on down. Ready, set, go. Whoa, you're gonna go down? Got a tunnel. Come on down. Wow, good job. We got some slides, some water hoses, a boat. And a baby!
You can do it!
Good job! Where's Olivia? Is she coming? Say, come on, Liv! Come on, Liv!
Oh. Careful, Parker. Careful.
Whoa! This kids area is so cute. There's 2 little water slides. There's a little rapids area. And a bunch of seals and gators. There he is. Come on up. Come on up, baby. Whoa, so much water. Woo! Whoa, there's a giant cruise ship by you.
I almost did it, and then I said, don't go there.
We are looking for Handy Manny. Please report to Typhoon Lagoon.
Red barkies, red barkies.
Come on down, big boy. Ready, set.
Go backwards. Got it.
It might be better if you sit on your butt. There you go. Come on down. You gotta sit down, baby. Whoa, uh-oh. Here it comes. Ready, set, go! Right into the water. Parker, look at this. Parker, look. Gotcha, 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 gotcha. You want it? Whoa. All right, he's holding on. I'm actually really proud right now. Hold on, hold on. Good boy, hold on. Hold on, you're doing good. Whoa. Hold on, hold on. Wow. Go. Wow. Hold on, sit down, hold on. Good job. Good job! Here he goes! Wow! Wow! Woo! Oh, not like that. All right, here we go. It's Olivia's turn. Say go, Olivia, go! Say you can do it. Here she goes. Go! Say ready, set, go, Olivia! Let go. Here she comes. Do you see her? Do you see her? Yay, Olivia! Watch Olivia. Here she comes. Hold on. Woo! Woo! You got this, girl. Yay! Good holding on till the end. All right, we have 2 daredevils on our hands. This is like slide number 20 at least. Here he comes. Hold on, hold on. Wow! All right, let's wait. Here comes Olivia. Yay, Olivia! Woohoo! What crazy water babies! All that tube riding. It's snack time. How's your snack? Snack. Whoa! Parker, what's this? What's this guy? That is like singing in the rain level dancing right there. Get our TikTok ready. Who's this? That's an alligator. Can you say alligator? Alligator, good job. Are you riding the alligator? Say yeehaw! Yaha! And great news, all of the water features work now. All right, there are other kids' slides right next to the wave pool, which I don't know how I feel about that, but alas, here we are, about to go on them. One is covered, one is not, but we'll be at the end waiting for him. All right, here he goes. Come on, Parker! Here he comes. Wow, baby! Good job. What'd you think? Was that so fun? That was fun. You want to get a gun? All the people waiting for the waves. And here we go. I didn't realize we were going. Here he comes, here he comes. Wow! Gotcha! I gotcha. What do you think? All right, he's coming down the big one that has the barrel. Here we go. Whoa! Stay on your booty, stay on your booty, stay on your booty! I think it does. I'm pretty sure it blows water out of the top. Maybe not. Whoa, it's a boat. I hear it. Oh. We're going to get donuts. Yay, donuts. You can keep going.
Parker, say yay, donut.
Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Good boy. Donut time. Parker, look. Donuts. Can you say donuts? Donuts. All right, Parker, here's your donut. What do you think? Is that so good? Say mm-mm. Are you waving at everyone as they pass? Good job. Good job. Donut time. Donut shop. Donut baby. Big bites. Cool.
You know who that is?
Parker loved the lazy river, but we didn't bring our phone there, but we sat on those type of chairs. Glad they have those. All right. Excuse me, sir. What'd you find? Oh, yeah, that's like a little bathroom. It's like a potty. Good music.
Lot more family.